For I am the Divine Phoenix Bird Arisen. I am the Divine Phoenix Bird, finally arisen from the ashes of my past, and out of a burning fury of white-hot flames. Ashes of my past life still rise and blow with speeding winds into the night sky and carried over seas. With my bright colorful plumage and tail of gold, purple and scarlet, I take flight into a new start in life. Having surpassed beyond to the other side, defeating death, and reborn anew. I've been fatally wounded and regenerated time and time again. In the past, hurt and wounded by foes who thought me slain, but this time I've healed up and grown more stronger than ever, immune to death and here to stay, for I am the Divine Phoenix Bird Arisen.